Hello, hello, hello. If you're watching this, you missed day 2 of our week 5 computer science principles class. This is your recap. Let's get to it. We went on ahead with a larger philosophical discussion on the ethics of digital information in our current age and kind of wrapped up our information unit today. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do. Your journal is due by next Wednesday. There is an assignment that was due Thursday, which is the day I'm recording this. So if you're watching this in the future, you've probably missed it. Please make sure I get it. 01-11-01, the assignment from yesterday, which was to read a short article about digital copyright and respond to some questions. And then there's an assignment that we started on today. Many people finished it, which is due by Monday at midnight, and I'll show you that in a second. Our objectives are that you can argue whether digitization of information has broadly speaking improved or damaged society, and examine articles to identify social benefits and harms caused by said digitization. So what did we do today? We focused on group discussion, so you really missed out if you weren't there. We used the majority of our time discussing the articles we read that are part of this assignment. Ethics of Digital Information, 01-12-01, due Monday at midnight. Let's take a look at it. First thing I have to do is tell me how you feel about digital information. Is it causing harm or is it beneficial to society overall? And I understand this is a difficult question to answer because it's so broad, but what is your gut feeling? Next, you pick one of these 3 articles to read. You only have to read one, whichever one you feel attracted to, and then answer some questions about it. So write a 10-word summary describing it, and then fill out the following slides with some information. What is being digitized and how might it be stored? What kind of compression might you be looking at? What is the goal of doing that? Who is benefiting and who's being hurt? And is our society better or worse off due to whatever's going on in the article? Should be pretty fun and straightforward. You missed the discussion, so maybe your stand won't change much, but based on just your article, did you change your mind on how digitization is affecting us? And last but not least, bringing it all home, did your position change? Why or why not? And give some supporting evidence. This could be either from your reasoning or from the article itself. That's all we did. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time in class. Have a good one.